Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to download Instagram account data on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and then you want to download your account data of Instagram, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and in your browser just open Instagram. So once you're in Instagram, you just have to click on this more option under your profile on the left side. Click on more and then click on settings. And now in settings, just click on account center. So after that, you might see at this type interface, you just have to click on this your information and permissions and then click on export your information. Just click on this option and here just click on create export. So you can also select export to external service, but I'm going to select export to device and here just wait for some loading, then scroll down. So here you can notify, you can get a notification when your download will be ready. So you can select your own Gmail or you can select any else Gmail. There's no, just select customize information and here you will see every information you have on your Instagram account. So you can customize your download. Let's see, I'm gonna select this clear out for all of these options. I'm also have cleared or unselect these all. You can select any specific thing if you want to download only your messages. So you might get your messages here. Just select only messages and click on save. Or you can also select anything else like your post, your events, your gifts, your likes, or everything you want to download from your account. Click on save. And here you can select format. So I'm gonna select HTML format. It might be best for you and you can also select quality. Let's say I'm going to select higher quality from here, then click on save and then click on start export. So here you have to enter your account password. So you just have to enter your Instagram account password, then click on this continue option. And once you have done, it will take a time, so you can see that it's requested. So whenever your download will be ready, you'll get an information or a mail on the Gmail or the mail address you have entered in this export. So after that, you'll be able to download your information. So in this way, you can easily download your information or download your data from Instagram account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.